Your flash is on, aren't you?
Now, currently needed for your experience, if you have questions or concerns, and my favorite feature exactly like this walkway will have to be the illuminated walkway right over here. Takes you from the very beginning up into the lounge. Many years ago, Epcot was very well known for having an illuminated walkway coming back into Future World after the fireworks celebration. So yeah, paying homage to it, we had to bring it back into the lounge. Oh, I'm so sorry. And if you want to look further into like the architecture design, even the furniture design, that's when we continue with the exploration of Spaceship Earth.